In this video, we are going to discuss about the third phase of ITIL, which is service transition. So, what is a service transition? A service transition is planning and implementing of all the releases or services. That means planning and implementing all the services which are existing and new to IT environment. You can see the activities here. Ensure that the changes are proposed in service design are realized. That means whatever is proposed in service design, all the services are realized. Authorized, package, build, test and deploy the releases into production. That means whatever is planned in the service design are authorized, are packaged or segregated based on the services category, and they build the services, they test the services and deploy into the release into the production. So, coming to transition of services to and from other organizations, that means any of the services which are doing very good or any of the services which are performed good in any other organizations can be transformed or transitioned into this present organization, and also vice and versa. Decommission or termination of services. So, what is a decommission of a service and termination of a service? Termination of a service is a temporary end of a service which can be kept on hold, or it can be totally decommissioned based on the requirements. So, we will be seeing it clearly in a V model, which is a transition V model. You can see here service transition V model. First, defining customer requirements. Based on the same, service review criteria and plan is developed, and validating services, packages and contracts. That means it also validates according to its plan. Coming to the second phase, which is service acceptance criteria or plan. Here, define service requirements and also simultaneously service acceptance test is also planned accordingly. Coming to service operation criteria or plan, that is design service solutions as well as service operational readiness test are also planned in this service operation plan. Coming to the release test or criteria plan, design service release and service release package test, both are vice and versa are interrelated to the service test plan. So, coming to develop service solutions and component assembly test, all comes under the service component build and test alternate, which is for internal and external suppliers. So, this is a V transition which is interlinked to each and every plan here. So, these plans take care of the service V model. So, what are the key concepts of service transition? The key concepts are service asset and configuration management, change management, release and deployment management and knowledge management. So, what is a service asset management and change management, release and deploy management and knowledge management? We will be seeing in depth in the next videos.